Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting. So, when your phone fails to connect to Wi-Fi, drops the connection repeatedly or says connected without internet, work through all the fixes I show you in a moment, because this issue is actually quite common. The first thing, open the settings, open connections and here Wi-Fi. Tap this gear icon near the Wi-Fi that you're connected to right now or you have it saved and hit forget. Now select the network you want to connect, like the same one, it should be actually the same one, but it will be reconnected, and enter the password to it. I'm connecting to a different one because the first one was actually the wrong one and I got worse internet that I actually could. So, apart from that, if you still have your Wi-Fi not working or you can't connect, you need to go to the next step. But before that, I need to explain the first step to you, because once corrupted handshake keys or safe network profiles actually prevent establishing of the connection, you need to just restart the connection by either enabling this airplane mode, which I will show in a moment, or of course disabling, unpairing the network and pairing the network back again. So as I said, airplane mode. Go to the connections tab and enable airplane mode. Enable it for, I would say, 10, maybe 20 seconds, and then disable airplane mode. After that, everything should be working fine. If it doesn't want to work fine, you need to go to the next step. Open back again the Wi-Fi and forget your network. Gear icon and here forget. Now tap your network and now tap view more right here before entering the password. Here scroll down to the MAC address type, select phone MAC and enter the password. And now here done. So what does it do? Modern Android versions use a randomized MAC address by default, for privacy of course. Some home or office routers block or drop randomized MAC addresses, like for example in your workplace or anywhere else. So do this what I showed you and we're going to the next step. Scroll the way down to the general management. Tap here reset and tap reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap here reset settings to confirm, and you will probably need to enter your lockscreen password to do it. This clears out invalid IP leases, but DNS cache and broken network configuration without deleting your personal photos, apps or files. So go back to connections, Wi-Fi and connect back again. Of course with your phone MAC, not randomized MAC. So, apart from that, if it still doesn't want to work, go to the battery. Right here. Here in the battery, make sure that power saving is disabled. Once it's disabled, everything should be working fine. One UI's strict battery optimization limits Wi-Fi antenna power output and background data handshakes. Disable the intelligent Wi-Fi auto switching. Connections, Wi-Fi, tap this dot in the top right corner, intelligent Wi-Fi, and here disable intelligent Wi-Fi, this one. Switch to the weather Wi-Fi networks. Make sure to disable it. And actually this should be good. One UI features an automatic switching tool that disconnects from Wi-Fi if it deems the mobile network stronger, causing unexpected Wi-Fi dropouts. So it should actually be disabled. And as the almost final step, you should test your phone in the safe mode. How to enter the safe mode? Hold the power and volume down. Hold your finger on the power off and then enter safe mode by tapping safe mode. To exit the safe mode, you'll need to just restart your phone like normally. And why should you do that? Third-party VPNs, other blockers, custom firewalls or network management apps can interfere with network sockets. So you need to so once you are in the safe mode, all the rogue apps will be isolated, and you can check which are these faulty ones. And the final step is to reboot the router and adjust the frequency band, like 2.4 GHz connection mode, 5 GHz and 6 GHz. If your phone cannot detect or stay connected to a specific home network, you need to power cycle the router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router from its power source for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. If your router combines 2.5 GHz connection mode and 5 GHz connection mode, and of course 6 GHz, under a single network name SSID, try logging into your router settings to split them into separate networks. Connect your default A specific to the 5 GHz connection or 2.5 GHz connection band to check for band steering conflicts. That's it, bye!